What's up, guys? Welcome back
to our channel. So we are back on top of
Cypress Mountain. Beautiful day. Just
Yeah.
got over a bunch of rain here in Vancouver, so it's
Yep.
nice. And it's boost weather.
Doo-doo.
12 degrees today, so it's great.
Yeah, it's really chilly, but we messed up.
Tell them how.
So when we installed the short shifter, we messed up. Pretty much, we didn't adjust it to make it short. We left it at the longest length, right?
Yeah. So if you haven't
And-
seen the install video, go watch it. But yeah, we messed up the install.
Yeah, so we left it at the longest length, thinking it was the shortest side, but it's actually the opposite. So today we're gonna fix it because so far it actually isn't short. It's still regular. It just feels a bit stiffer, but nothing is different.
So sorry if we
don't
misled
know-
you guys.
Don't know how we did that. No, sorry. Let me correct myself. Don't know how you did that.
What do you mean?
Don't know how you did that. Today we're gonna fix it. It's actually gonna turn out to be a short shifter after this, hopefully.
Yeah.
And that's it.
But before we continue,
Yeah.
follow us on Instagram, Thomas and Stephanie,
Yes.
for more updates.
Yep.
And we have an announcement.
Announcement. We did order a part. We're just waiting for the shop to confirm. I guess. And then, yeah, so hopefully this week we'll get that confirmation and the part should be on its way. Hope it doesn't
Hopefully.
take too long to come in.
Yeah.
Hopefully.
Hopefully.
But-
because we need it.
We're excited.
Yeah. And don't forget our goal, 1,000 subs by end of the year. We
Yep.
really appreciate your support. We want to get there.
Yeah.
So we're going to keep making good content. So
Yeah.
help us out. But let's get right into it.
Right there, adjusting the throw. The most important step you forget.
Hey, I didn't finish school, okay? But yeah,
Well, now we just know.
included in the instructions is it says adjusting the throw, which I clearly missed.
Clearly.
But it says the OEM shifter is adjustable up and down within the parent shifter adapter. The higher the OEM shifter, the shorter the throws. Simply loosen the 3 set screws and slide shifter up and down to desired throw, then simply retighten screws. That's the part we missed.
That's the part you missed.
So now we gotta do it.
Let's go.
We got it back out. So this is the piece that we're supposed to loosen the Allen key, and right now it's adjusted so it's farthest up, I guess.
Yep.
But if we loosen it and put it down more, that's what makes the throws shorter.
Okay, so we brought it down, not too low, but decent.
So it's from there to there,
Yeah, so that's it.
and that should make it
Shorter.
One thing that you have to watch out for, and this is what we problem we run into, is depending on how short you put the throws, if you put it into first, you can see that, I guess, the shifter, the linkage actually scrapes against the metal. What Perrin says is you can get a set of pliers and basically bend that piece of metal up if you want. If not, then you'll just have to adjust the show to be the throw to be a little bit longer, and we're gonna adjust it so it's a little bit longer just so we don't have to bend the metal back, and see how it feels. So we adjusted perfectly so it doesn't hit the metal part right there, but it still feels good. Now we're putting back everything back together and we'll be good to go. Okay, test drive time. Steph has not touched the shifter yet,
No.
and we will find out. Test drive time.
That's not too much of a difference.
Well, because you didn't want to bend the metal.
It's better, but it's not like a crazy difference.
Should we bend the metal and redo this and make it shorter? Drop it in the comments below.
No, I don't want to bend the metal.
If we get enough comments and likes for bending the metal to make the throw shorter, do it and we'll do it.
Don't do it.
I would prefer it to be as short as possible, but I mean, if Perrin says we can do it, then it's safe to do.
I mean, it feels nice, but it still doesn't feel as short as I thought it would have been.
It's shorter.
No, it's shorter. I think when you're driving. No, it's definitely shorter.
It definitely looks notchier.
Yeah, definitely shorter, but not as short as I thought.
Well, somebody didn't want to bend the metal.
No, I did not. But it feels nice driving actually. Because you didn't test it yet while driving.
No. Ooh, it feels good.
It feels good, right?
Yeah.
I feel like if it's stopped, you can't tell the difference, but when you're driving,
Yeah.
it feels a lot better.
Once you're driving, you can definitely feel it. I would
Yeah.
still prefer it to be a bit shorter.
A bit shorter.
So, let's do a vote. If we should do it shorter, say Steph is wrong.
No! Okay, let us know if you guys have this adapter. If you guys have the adapter, did you bend the metal or did you not bend the metal? Because I kind of feel bad, but let us know if you bent it or if, I don't know, one of your friend's car, if you guys didn't and bent it, I don't know.
I will say this, for $100, this is a very, very good mod to have.
Yeah, totally.
Because it's very easy to do. Like, first time took us 2 hours because of, we didn't know what we're doing.
Yeah.
This time around took us probably 20 minutes to
Yeah.
take apart everything, and then adjusting it probably took 10 minutes because we were just trying it out.
Yeah.
So the whole thing took about 40 minutes. Very easy to do. $100, very affordable.
Yeah.
So it's a very, very good mod. Would definitely recommend it.
But now it's just about, are we gonna have to redo it or not? Ta-da!
That's
We
it
like
for the
it.
video.
Yeah.
Hopefully you guys.
Short and sweet. Yeah, let us know.
So we're thinking of doing a driving series where we drive and we answer your questions.
A topic about anything. It can literally be anything.
So if you think we should do it, let us know. Follow us on Instagram. We'll probably put out a poll or DM us questions and we'll do it.
Yep.
I think it'll be fun. We could even do like rapid fire ones while cruising up the mountain, or we'll just go for a drive.
But anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Today was a pretty short and simple video because we just needed to fix what we never got to enjoy.
Yeah.
But make sure you comment, like, subscribe. Make sure you follow us on Instagram. And our next video will hopefully be a mod. If it comes in on time, that will be awesome.
Yeah, but we will do our how we met video
Yeah.
and how the STI brought us together.
Exactly. So we'll be doing that next, and then hopefully we will have another mod coming up as well. If it
Soon.
comes in. Dee-dee.
Until next time,
We
we'll
will
see you on the next one.
one.